On this video, we will discuss the step-by-step airport guide for domestic travel. First, get the boarding pass. You need to process online check-in para makuha yung boarding pass. As early as 3 days, pwede na mag-check-in, but it is advisable na within 24 hours kasi may tendency may changes sa flight, like cancelled, delayed, or nagpalit ng plane. Second, go to airport 2 hours before boarding time. For example, 7 a.m. ang flight mo, dapat 5 a.m. sa airport ka na. Actually, at least 45 minutes early, but better prepared for any unpredicted circumstances. May mga bench naman sa airport. Third, sa gate entrance. 2 things lang yung kailangan para papasukin ka. Una, boarding pass if nag-online check-in ka na, or yung itinerary mo. Proof lang na meron kang flight. Pangalawa is yung ID. Ipapababa yung face mask mo para lang ma-confirm na ikaw yung nasa ID. Next, fourth, this is optional. Kung di ka nakapag-online check-in, pipila ka to get it. And if may luggage ka na need i-check-in, need mo to i-process doon. On our case, carry-on bag lang. So proceed na tayo sa 5th step, which is domestic departure area. Dito i-scan yung bag mo. Remember yung mga items na allowed at bawal dalhin. Ilalagay ko sa screen para may reference kayo. On this area, makikita mo kung aling boarding gate number ka dapat naghintay. On our case, gate 134B. 6th step is boarding time. May nag-a-announce sa mismong gate for any status ng flight mo. Makikita mo sa boarding pass mo yung flight number. Sa amin, for example, is 5J907. Nagsasabi naman sila kung pwede na pumila at magpapapasok na sila. Be attentive lang. Ang requirement naman dito is boarding pass at ID. Ipapababao nila ulit yung face mask mo to confirm. 7th step and last, isasakay ka ng shuttle bus papuntang airplane. Ito yung sasakyan na kamukha ng mga carousel bus EDSA. Pagdating mo sa mismo airplane, need mo lang hanapin yung upuan mo. Makikita mo yung seat number mo sa boarding pass. That's it. Pag settled ka na sa upuan mo, enjoy your flight and be amazed sa makikitang view from the top. Have a safe flight. Check the description box para sa ibang Boracay videos. And don't forget to subscribe.